Okay, I'm gonna head out to look at a project that we stocked some wood in a couple weeks ago. So the wood's been there acclimating, putting in some unfinished flooring. Having some coffee. Okay, so let's get to this here. We're gonna go take a peek at the wood that was delivered. I wasn't able to get into the job site since we delivered because of the quarantine thing. And just make sure the product is proper before we install it all and discover it's wrong. I went over the project with my installer. He knows what's up. Not worried about it. I deal with this distributor all the time. They never make a mistake, but I still double check every job. At the end of the day, it's my responsibility. This is why my client hired me. They want to make sure things are done right. I promised them things would be done right. So that's what you do. You can't contract from the couch, so to speak, via text. Some people just want to not take the time to drive to the job sites. It's just something that has to be done. And it's kind of fun too. Keeps you involved. So some of the jobs I'm personally installing or personally sanding and finishing. Some of them my guys are doing. But either way, I want to make sure I'm the one that sold the job. Clients relying on me to deliver the goods, so to speak. So we'll see you at the job site. Arrived on the job. The installer's got the weave going here. There was carpet here. We've got the material. Do a little comparison to what we took out. The color looks great. We've got the paperwork here. So we're going to check out, make sure we've got the right square foot, the right grade of material, number one. We want it to match. We'll end up framing in this fireplace all proper. Everything should be just fine. Subfloor's in great shape. Bought extra material. Okay, everything looked good on that there job. I'm gonna go grab my van, head off to stain, get this floor stained. It was, you know, a hassle. It took me an hour to drive out here, check the material, drive back. But if you don't do this kind of thing, you're gonna regret it. You want to make sure that first and foremost everything's done right. You know, a lot of times contractors want to wing it. That's not how we roll here. You want to make sure everything's done proper. Your clients very important. Without them, obviously you don't get a paycheck, you don't get to support your family. So you never want to lose sight of who's paying the bills and how things work. You don't want to be bullied by anybody, but you definitely want to take care of them to the best of your ability. So heading to the stain, get a little footage there of that process and what's going on. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this looks like. Not bad, not bad at all. Started yesterday morning. It's about 11 today. What do you think, Vladimir? You like it?
Yes.
The wood's good?
Yeah.
Good material? Here's your vents. We're gonna install these flush mount vents here and there. These are nice. Going flush up to the wood. So when it's installed, turned out great. Okay, here we are, back on the project here. So we've got it all. There's our weed in. Looks really nice, really beautiful. Here's our sand. Everything done proper. Doing the final buff, final palm sand in corners, and then we are going to start applying a couple coats of Swedish today.
I'll probably leave it on so it's in between coats.
Yeah. It's not. What happened? Uh-oh. There we go.